First one is automated solar panel. This project presents an open hardware, software test bench for tracker. The proposed prototype is based on a dual-axis solar tracker controlled with Arduino Uno, which is an open-source prototyping platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. The solar tracker can be controlled automatically with the help of light-dependent resistor, LDR, sensors. Second one is cooling system. This project also proposes a cooling mechanism for solar panel. 50% of a day the solar panel is exposed to the hot sun. If the solar panel get too hot, they can in fact overheat and causes damage to the cells. So when the solar panel overheats, its efficiency also drops drastically. Moreover, cleaning of dust from the surface of the panel is also possible through this. One of such cooling system is shown in the figure. A simple frame of PVC pipes are used, through which water is brought and sprayed to the surface of the panel using a water sprinkler. Water is pumped through a 12V DC pump which can be operated manually. Third one is cleaning system. With the increasing demand for renewable energy, solar photovoltaic technology is being a topic of concern. However, due to the accumulation of dust and dirt over the panel surface, the performance of the photovoltaic system degrades to a noticeable number. This project presents the design and fabrication of a prototype able to clean the panel surface. The prototype of this system comprises of a cleaning robot and a cloud interface. The cleaning robot is mobile and able to clean the entire solar array back and forth, with its separately driven cleaning rotatory brush. The solar panel can be cleaned in every 24-hour time period. Fourth one is real-time monitoring. The output voltage and current obtained from the solar panel can be monitored using mobile app. For this we use Node MCU module. The output of the panel is stepped down, by using step-down transformer, and connected with the Node MCU module, which can be sent to the mobile app over Wi-Fi. The app shows the current and voltage output from the solar panel every time.